Hello everybody, in this screencast I will show you the difference between the get method and the post method used to send information from a form to a PHP application. We have an example here, index.php. This is a PHP file, but there is no PHP code inside, just HTML. It looks like this. I open We have three fields, name, surname, and age, and two buttons, reset and submit. So the form looks like this, the beginning of the end of the form, and we have the three fields, the name, the surname, the age, the reset button, and the submit button. In the form we have an ID, we have a name, and we have an attribute method. In this method we indicate how we send the information using the get method or using the post method. We'll begin with the get method and we'll see the difference in a while. In the action attribute we indicate the page that will receive the data from this form. In this case the receptor.php page will receive all this pair of data from the form, the name, the surname, the age, and the submit button. The reset button is not sent in the form, okay? So let's see how it works. We open the form. We are trying first the get method. I write my name, my surname, an age, and when I click send, the receptor.php page receive all this pair of data. A pair of data consists of an name of the field equal and data, name of the field equal and data, and each pair of data is separated by the ampersand symbol. So we have, in this case, the receptor.php page, question mark, and the next is a pair of data. Name is the name of the field, equal and data. Ampersand, another pair. Surname, equal and data. Ampersand, another pair. Age, equal and data. Ampersand, and another pair, submit, equal and data. Okay? How does it look in the PHP code? We open the receptor.php. In PHP we have two server variables to check what kind of data are we receiving from a form. That variables are $_post and $_get. In these variables we'll have all the fields received from a form. So the easy way to check if we are receiving a field using a get or post method is like this. If we check if it's defined a $_get data field, in this case the name field, if it is correct, that means that we are receiving a name field from a form using the get method. And if that field contains their data, is different from blank, so we can print all the information from the form. The easy way is just with an echo, we print the name, colon, and we concatenate $_get the name and a BR tag. We can print the surname with $_get the surname, and we can print the age with $_get the age. So just check that with $_get we have the name, the surname, and the age. If we are receiving the data using the post method, we only have to change $_get for $_post. So in this code we check, are we receiving a name field using the get method? That name field contains data. If it is okay, we print all the form. If we are not receiving a get method, we can check if we are receiving data using the post method. So if it said $post the name and $post the name is different from blank, we can print all the information using the post method. If this doesn't happen and this doesn't happen, we are not receiving data. This occurs when we open this file receptor.php directly with no information. So if I print this is the message, no data received, because we are this page is not receiving at this time data from get or from post method. So we are going to change in the index.php to the post method and we'll see the difference. This is using get. Okay, just pay attention about this. All the information is sent in the URL, and the maximum information we can send here is 2048 characters. If we reload the page, now we are using the post method. I'll save this again. When we click on submit, just check that in the URL doesn't appear any pair of data. In the post method, all the pairs of data are sent in the headers, not in the URL. So the main difference between post and get is that in get we'll see all the information in the URL. So I don't recommend to use get if you have to same fields like names, passwords, credit card numbers, etc. So the best way to do that is to use the post method. The post method is not limited by the 2048 characters, so you can set more information than using the get method. One of the advantages of the get method is that we can only create a link with all the pairs of data in that link, and we can send all that information to a PHP file. So there is no need to create a form to send information using the get method. Just with a link and all the pairs of data in that link, we are sending all that information to a PHP file. This is an example. We can create a link with all this information, the receptor.php file, and all the data, the name, the surname, and the age. And with a link like this, we are sending 3 pairs of data to a PHP file. We'll see more differences between get and post in later examples and screencasts. That's all for now. Thank you.